Hi, Bill Henry here from Robinson Henry. I want to talk to you about whether or not the person you're caring for should get powers of attorney in place. Well, powers of attorney, there's basically two: a financial power of attorney, who can make financial decisions for me; medical power of attorney, who can make medical decisions for me. So let me give you an example. If you're taking care of mom and you need to pay for something on mom's behalf, well, where's that money going to come from? If mom can't write checks anymore and you don't have a power of attorney, you can't just sign her name on a check and send it out. You are just asking for major, major problems. It can be seen as financial abuse. Adult protective services can get involved. You don't want to do that. So if mom has capacity still, she understands what she's doing, well, then she can sign powers of attorney and she can give you that authority to write checks on her behalf. On the other hand, if she doesn't have power of capacity, well, then what do? At that point, you've got to go to court. You've got to go to court and get what's called a conservatorship. So then you have the legal authority to spend mom's money on her behalf. Conservatorships, guardianships, things like that, they can be expensive, time-consuming. You have to do ongoing reporting to the court. We want to avoid them if at all possible. How do we avoid them? We use powers of attorney to do it. If you've got any questions on powers of attorney, feel free to post them in the comments below, and I'll talk to you next time.